Hey guys, welcome back to Power Tool Week in Review. I'm Rob. We have breaking tool news.
Milwaukee, who previously suspended their annual new product symposium, just announced its 2020 replacement. It's digital, it's spread out over several days, and the biggest news of all, you, our loyal viewers, can get a ticket to attend. I'll tell you how. As you no doubt know, every year the media descend onto Milwaukee, Wisconsin, to the Milwaukee Tool headquarters for the biggest new tool event of the year, Milwaukee's NPS. Tragically, due to the COVID-19 outbreak, NPS 2020 was suspended. We've waited months and months for some sort of replacement, and today we got it. Milwaukee just announced Milwaukee Pipeline. This is going to be an online video series broken up over several days, sometimes weeks apart. The first one will be on August 20th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. During the event, we can expect to see a ton of new tools from Milwaukee being revealed and demonstrated. That in and of itself is enough news already, but there's one more thing. You are invited. Milwaukee provided us with a link that will allow our fans to not only get registered, but be able to watch the reveal at the same time we do. Now, there's been no mention yet of a limit to the number of participants, but I wouldn't sit on your hands if I were you. There's going to be a lot of demands for seats at this thing. There's a link in the description of this video that will take you directly to the registration page. So what are you doing? Click on the link, get registered, then come back and leave a comment telling me what tools you hope to see revealed on August 20th.
To make sure you don't miss any Power Tool news, be sure to like and subscribe, and catch us this Friday for the Power Tool Week in Review.